Hello, everyone. Welcome to Healing Insights. I am doing another Healing Insights for the month of June for Aphasia Awareness Month. As May was Stroke Awareness Month and Aphasia Awareness Month is June, they often go together. Not everybody that has aphasia may have suffered a stroke, but I'm certainly here focused on aphasia recovery as I am a stroke survivor from March of 2020. If you recognize it, it had nothing to do with COVID. It had to do with me having an ischemic stroke. And what I want to talk about today with aphasia is the recovery resources that might be out there that is just general and out there. And one of them from occupational therapy is puzzles. And you may have worked with your occupational therapist team, your medical team, about puzzles and various ideas. One of the concepts that I had and I grew to enjoy was the puzzles of cooking. One of the reasons why is in my aphasia recovery, I had to relearn communication skills with numbers. I couldn't remember how to translate the word three, THREE, into the number 3. And that's just an example. So I would read recipes. So next step is to actually take the recipes and break them down into puzzles and make recipes. That was very difficult in my early recovery. I say early, 5 years. I'm 6 years recovered, but it's still 5 years of having to walk away sometimes from the cooking process. And mine started with just trying to make macaroni and cheese, just trying to follow the directions and get all the pots and pans out and all the utensils that you might need and all the equipment, including the milk, and having it out on the counter after reading the directions and forgetting and having to go back and read them again because of the short-term memory loss that I could not recall every item, but I tried. And again, this is part of the puzzles of making and cooking and following directions and making a recipe. Well, I would put it all out on the table and then I would have to go back to bed. That meant I had to put the milk and any perishables away if I were adding vegetables, for example. And I'd have to put them all away and go rest. And then when I got up again a couple hours later after I got some good rest, I would try again. Or maybe give up if I was having a bad day. But this is what happens, and this is stroke recovery. And I just wanted to offer that as an option. Martha Stewart, Jacques Pepin, all have recipes on their website. And please consider adding to your repertoire of puzzles. That's a tough word to say, but adding recipes and something as simple as following the recipes on the back of the box. That's a resource. I hope you have a great month. Take care.